how to transfer files between different devices using Shareit. Now Shareit allows you to transfer files between different devices including smartphone, tablet and computer regardless of the operating system they're running. So you can transfer various types of files such as photos, videos, music, documents and more. So here's how you can transfer files between devices using the Shareit. First of all, you need to make sure to install it on your both the devices, that is sending as well as receiving devices. You can download it from your respective app store for your devices. When you have installed it, then you can go ahead and open it up, and when you open up, then you can see this sort of interface. So here you can go ahead and agree all of the terms and condition. After you've enabled the permission and all that, now you can go ahead and tap the send button located right on top. As you click the send button, here you need to go ahead and locate what you actually wish to send it, whether it's photos, videos, music or contact, resends, whatsoever. You can go through the tab and then accordingly send the following videos. So let's say that I'm going to send it this one. I'm going to go with this one. So select the video that you wish to send and click the send button. You can also send multiple options, and here you need to go and enable all sort of permissions. So click the open button if you're sure about it. When you do that, you'll be able to see this interface where you can go ahead and send, and then you'll be able to locate the receiver's identity. Just press on it and then you can transfer the files between different devices using the Shareit. So that's how you can transfer files between devices using Shareit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.